there's a lot of different types of cats. There's American Shorthairs, there's Siamese, there's even hairless ones, like some of you said. But most of the cats are, they're adorable. Let me just say. I've lived with them since I was first born. My parents had two. Sadly, they're gone, but they live in our hearts. And cats, they are sometimes mistreated. Cats can be rude to humans a lot, but so can dogs. I know there's a lot of dog lovers out there, but cats are my thing, and I'm speaking. So, up here we have a few different cats, and sometimes, sometimes cats, I know I've said this before, sometimes cats can hurt you. I have scratches everywhere that I do not want to show you, so it will require me to take off my shoes. But cats can hurt you, so can dogs. I know I've said that before, but dogs are way more. It may be that nobody owns a cat, but scientists now say the popular pet lived with people for over 12,000 years. Of humans, of course, there is such a thing as a domestic cat. And cats and humans have enjoyed a mostly symbiotic relationship for thousands of years. It has taken a while for scientists to piece together the riddle of just when and where cats first became domesticated. Fun fact, did you know that just 60 years ago, cats lived entirely outdoors? Why were we so rude back then, people? Take cats indoors. They're harmless little creatures. Sometimes.
So
But it's sometimes hard for me to share my story. But cats, they make me feel bad. But a couple years ago, when my aunt passed away, and cats, they helped me feel good. They helped me feel better. And I've had so many cats, you will not believe. I've had one dog. Two dogs. And actually, how many dogs have I had? It's either 2 or 3. We had to give away 2 of them. One would not stop barking. The other, we actually got allergic to. When he passed away. But cats have been around for longer than, gosh, I don't know how long, but little. Okay, you might find this all boring, but to me, yes.
So I have a question.
Yes.
You know how cats are mostly, I don't want to be rude or anything, but in the first sentence, you said they have lived with people for 12,000 years, and then in the last sentence you said, did you know that they have lived outdoors for 60 years?
They've lived outdoors for 60 years, within those 12,000 years.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You might find this boring, but the Egyptians actually first thought of cats as, they thought there was a cat god, which I praise Egyptians, thank the Lord. And so Egyptians, they praised cats. They loved them. And I don't know if cats like that or not, but they were people would be the cat's servants. Seriously. But I'm going to pass this to Erin because I've been talking. I'm sorry, I just love cats. Erin. What? Your story. Yeah. I don't think they want to hear my whole life story, do you?
Yeah, why
Not
not?
my whole life story, though. My story with cats. It all started when I was growing up. My parents had 2 cats. Since I was about 2 or 3 years old, I just named them Black and White because they were really, really fat. Really fat. to a black kitty and white kitty, as I already said. They sure were fat, but they're the best cats a little dog could have. They never bit. They never played with you, which was sad. But they could. They couldn't get up the stairs, but they could. It would be a while since we got another cat, but a year later we got a cat named Taco. Taco sadly got ill, and he got better, but then got infested with fleas. They were everywhere in the house. So we had to give him away, and things got better, but we gave him away because every time we got close to him, he sneezed and coughed. Then we found out he just had some illness, so we gave him, I don't remember where we got him, I was like 5 years old when we got him. I'm not going to tell you about one of our cats because he was not loving at all. Seriously. You'd walk up to him, you'd have 10 scratches before you left the door. Like, everywhere. So we gave him away, and I haven't heard, says, and then days later, like 2 weeks maybe after we gave him away, there was a stray cat running around our backyard. It was exactly like him. So I'm like, Dad, I think that's our cat. He's like, no. The cat came up to me 10 times when we lived there. That might have been our cat or not, but he sure looked like him. Then came Blue the Boxer. The most loving cats anyone can ever have. I have them up to this day. Blue's now 1-year-old. Boxer is about 18 months. They help me sometimes because I'm sure all of you know my brother. He is he hurts me sometimes, and he hurts a lot. But we go through it, and whenever bad times come, whenever I get hurt, whenever anybody gets hurt, my cats will come up to you, and they will give you so much love. So much love. And when they want to play, they'll play. When you want to play, they'll play. When you want to go to bed, they will cuddle up behind you and won't stop purring. It's adorable, though. My cat has motors that can shake the house. Seriously, they do shake the house. You can hear them upstairs, downstairs, even outside. You'll hear purring. It's nuts. They're indoor cats, and for some reason, when one of my cats, Blue, gets out, he'll lie on the concrete and just like stretch out. I wish I could reenact with you, but like I don't think I can stretch as far as he does. Like his head, his ears can touch his feet. Can any of you do that? No. I was about to say reenact it. But there are many cats in the future for me. But these 2 cats are my life. And if any of you have cats, I want you to go home and give them as much love. And if you have dogs,
feed them. That's mean.
Feed them, love them. Go play with the cats.
That's mean.
Aaron? There's a lot of misspelled things in there. No.
It was when my parents went on a cruise over the summer. We got dropped off at our aunt's house, and they had 3 cats and 2 dogs. They were so much fun to play with. Play with the cats. The best cat was. They were so cute and nice to us. They did not bite us or anything. They just cuddled with us sometimes. And some they were with us and were so they were so playing with us, and that there was one that just ran away so many times that we could not even see him sometimes. He was gray and white. We don't know how old he was or she. He every time we would go into pet her, he would just go like and run upstairs under our aunt's bed. And the cat and the dogs, we wanted to play with them. They would go outside and they would just start playing with us as much as possible. And sometimes they got tired of going to their cage. One time I was actually trying to feed one of them a bone, and another one just came out of nowhere and tried biting me when I was giving it to them. Yeah, it didn't work out so well for him.
One last thing before we go. I love cats.